I finally got tired of wrestling with kinked heavy hoses, so I switched to this 75-foot stainless steel hose, and it changed everything. It's made from 304 stainless steel, so it doesn't rust, crack, or tear, no matter how rough the surface. I dragged it across gravel and rocks, around trees, even down the driveway, and it still looks brand new. What surprised me most, it's lightweight and flexible. I can carry it, move it, and wrap it up without breaking a sweat. No more sore arms from wrangling stiff rubber hoses. And it's weatherproof. I've left it out in the sun and even had it sit through a cold snap. The stainless steel hose holds up through it all. The best part? It's kink-free. It uncoils smoothly, lays flat, and doesn't twist up while I'm watering or rinsing off the patio. If you're tired of fighting with your hose every weekend, this stainless steel hose is worth the switch.